7 superfoods that help you lose weight. Delicious foods that help with weight loss? It sounds too good to be true. Without a doubt, weight loss is a simple math problem. You must eat less calories than you burn. Dark chocolate, sausage, nuts, and eggs? All of them are on the list. Here are 7 foods to eat to lose weight. Number 1. Beans. Beans are a fantastic source of protein because they are inexpensive, filling, and versatile. Beans are high in fiber, and take a long time to digest. This means you'll feel fuller for longer. This may stop you from eating more. Number 2. Soup. If you begin a meal with a cup of soup, you may notice that you eat less. As long as the soup is broth-based, it doesn't matter if it's chunky or pureed. The soup should be between 100 and 150 calories per serving. So don't bother with the cream and butter. Number 3. Dark chocolate. Do you want to eat chocolate in between meals? Choose a dark square or 2 over the milky version. Chocolate lovers who were given dark chocolate ate 15% less pizza a few hours later than those who were given milk chocolate, according to one study. Number 4. Eggs and sausage. A high-protein breakfast can help you avoid snacking throughout the day. Those who started the day with 35 grams of protein felt fuller immediately, according to a study of obese young women. The women had a 350-calorie breakfast, consisting of eggs and beef sausage patties. The benefit of the high-protein meal lasted throughout the evening. When the women ate less fatty, sugary foods than the women who had cereal for breakfast. Number 5. Nuts. Take a tiny handful of almonds, peanuts, walnuts, or pecans for a quick snack. According to studies, when people eat nuts, they immediately eat less at later meals. Number 6. Apples. Avoid the apple juice and applesauce in exchange for a crisp apple. Fruit juices and sauces do not have the same effect on hunger as whole fruit. Raw fruit contains more fiber, which is one of the reasons. Also, chewing sends signals to your brain that you've eaten a large meal. Number 7. Yogurt. Yogurt, whether Greek or traditional, can be good for your waistline. Over 120,000 people were followed for a decade or more, in a Harvard study. Yogurt was the most closely linked to weight loss of all the foods studied. If you want to lose weight quicker, click the link in the description for the best product to lose weight. If you found this video useful, please leave a like so that other people can find this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and to hit the notification bell. Stay healthy.